NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast, Thursday evening, February 12th, 2026. Quick note, real news, AI-powered delivery, full coverage at newsramp.com. First, a note from our sponsor. Newscrafter is a new medicine effected for greater death. And these are the things that all fucking blows. The number one detail is build your online authority today with AI-assisted newscrafters.com news curation. First up,
TIC Trading Software AG proposed dividend of EUR 0.85 per share for fiscal year 2024/2025. TIC Trading Software AG has proposed a dividend of EUR 0.85 per share for the fiscal year 2024/2025, following a 68% increase in net profit to TUR 2011. The company's equity ratio is above 80%, with a focus on new customers and services for the transformation year 2025/2026. The annual general meeting in April 2026 will vote on the proposed dividend, reflecting the company's strong financial performance. Siltronic releases its guidance for financial year 2026. Siltronic AG has released its guidance for financial year 2026, expecting group sales to be in the mid-single-digit % range below the previous year. The EBITDA margin is projected to be within 20 to 24%, with headwinds from various factors. The executive board anticipates a challenging market landscape, characterized by negative exchange rate effects and ongoing price pressure outside existing long-term agreements.
VIB Vermogen AG holds successful extraordinary general meeting. VIB Vermogen AG successfully held an extraordinary general meeting today, with 88.55% of voting share capital represented. The meeting approved resolutions for a control and profit transfer agreement with DIC Real Estate Investments Gingbagna and Co-Commandant Gesellschaft Aktien, and a reduction in the size of the supervisory board. Detailed voting results are available on VIB's Investor Relations website.
GridAI Technologies GRDX highlights growth strategy at intersection of AI and power management. GridAI Technologies highlights its growth strategy at the intersection of AI and power management with the appointment of Marshall Chapin as CEO of its GridAI Inc. subsidiary. The company is focused on developing next-generation grid and power management software for AI data center campuses, anticipating the market to reach $1 trillion by 2030. GridAI's commitment to intelligent power orchestration solutions is evident in its recent moves.
LIXTE Biotechnology, LIXTE, bringing first-in-class approach to chemo and immunotherapy. LIXTE Biotechnology Holdings, a clinical-stage pharmaceutical company, is advancing a first-in-class approach to enhance chemotherapy and immunotherapy effectiveness in multiple cancer types. By targeting the PP2A enzyme, which aids tumor survival and resistance, their proprietary compound, LB100, disrupts repair mechanisms in cancer cells, making them more susceptible to treatment. Promising preclinical research suggests improved outcomes for patients undergoing cancer therapy. Jupiter Neurosciences selected as B2I Digital Featured Company. Jupiter Neurosciences Inc. has been selected as a B2I Digital Featured Company, advancing a Phase 2A Parkinson's trial targeting neuroinflammation. The company's dual-path strategy includes expanding the Nujivia TEM longevity brand. With collaborations from top universities, Jupiter aims to address CNS disorders. CEO of B2I Digital, David Shapiro, highlights Jupiter's differentiated approach and potential revenue streams. For more information, visit www.jupiterneurosciences.com.
Food Liability Insurance Program, FLIP releases 2026 Food and Beverage Industry Economic Trends Report, revealing that despite rising food costs and increased claim severity, most operators remain confident. The report shows that 81.7% of operators feel positive about their 2026 business outlook, with 60% of businesses able to grow in 2025. FLIP's CEO highlighted the importance of proactive risk management and adequate insurance coverage in light of the industry trends.
PRISM MarketView launches PetCare Index. PRISM MarketView has launched the PetCare Index, tracking innovation in the global pet care sector. Companies focusing on veterinary services, digital health, and premiumization are driving growth in a market projected to exceed $350 billion. Elanco Animal Health, Chewy, and Trupanion are among the companies highlighted for their contributions to this industry.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.